Hello everyone, welcome to English e-learning class. Today we are going to do chapter number 11 of English literature book of class 7, and the name of the chapter is Chocolates in Your Dream 2. It is a 3-act play by Dilip M. Salvi. The title itself is very interesting, which gives us a clue that in someone's dream there comes chocolates. Now, let us see about the play. In the following play, there are major characters. So, first main character is Mrs. Dev. She is a woman in late 30s. Next is Gopa. Gopa, her child who is 10 years old. Next is Alien, who has a height as that of Gopa. Next character is shopkeeper Sham Singh, an elderly man in late 50s. So drama is divided into 3 acts. So here goes Act 1. The Act 1 take place in a market where you find a confectionery shop where Mrs. Dev and her son are looking at the variety of the things displayed, and shopkeeper is busy around the corner and putting things in the order. So here are the dialogues between mother and son. Gopa has asked his mother that I want a chocolate. But Mrs. Dev denied her son. She said no. Gopa, still he was saying, I want the chocolate, mama. So her mother, Mrs. Dev, thinks for a moment and stares at her son. Stares means ghurna. She stares at her son and a moment and then continued to look at the displayed item. She ignored her son that he wants the chocolates. Then Gopa said, Mummy, he threatened his mother. See how a little boy of 10 years is going to warn his mother. He warned her that I will create a scene in the market, Mama. You know me. Then come to the next page. So here Mrs. Dev, she said, I know you very well. I know what kind of a child you are because you are my son. So I know you well. Then Gopa said, so what you are thinking? Are you going to buy or not? So again here his mother said, no, she's not going to buy. So Gopa again warned his mother. So in this way you can see that how a little boy of 10 years, children these days play such kind of roles with their parents. So Gopa was an adamant child, he was a stubborn child, he again and again is asking for chocolates. So then Gopa, he started playing tantrums and created scene in the market. I want it, I want it. So shopkeeper at last he came out and said, ma'am, why don't you buy chocolates for your son? But Mrs. Dates said, Shamji is the name of a shopkeeper. She said that he always wants something whenever he entered a shop. उसको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होता है. So shopkeeper said he is just a little boy. तो सब बच्चे करते हैं ऐसा, तो इसमें क्या है? She said no. He is very obstinate and stubborn child. He always want a chocolate. So Gopa again said, Mama, I want a chocolate. So mother is already fed up. But shopkeeper, he said, ma'am, why are you going so upset? Why are you getting so upset? So he comes out of the corner and he said, if you don't want to give him a chocolate, I will give him one. So I means shopkeeper, he gave chocolate to Gopa. So Mrs. Dev, she asked Shamji not to do such kind of a thing because she said chocolates are bad for health. She has a logic for her reason because it is true that chocolates are really bad for health of children. So shopkeeper gave an argument that little chocolate will don't do any kind of harm. एक chocolate से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? So then Mrs. Dev, she asked him that to give him a large bread and 100-gram butter. Now, shopkeeper, he asked, okay ma'am, and then he put the things in the plastic bag and handed it over to Mrs. Dev. And then they further went to their destination. Here you can see that Gopa, he started running on the road. He opened the wrapper of a chocolate and is making faces at his mother. So mother asked him, stop it, stop doing such kind of a things. But He didn't listen to his mother. So Mrs. Dev is addressing I don't know what the world will become with the children like you. Means तुम जैसे बच्चों से world का क्या होगा. Now फॉर गोपा इट इज़ फन. गोपा के लिए बहुत मजाक की बात है, उसको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. शी सेड नाउ आई एम गो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बाय एनी थिंग फॉर यू. बट गोपा ही इज स्टिल मेकिंग फेसेस, ही इज dancing on the road. Now notice here that he is not moving carefully on the road. He is running here and there, he is dancing. So what happened? He got narrowly escaped by being hit by a cyclist. वो एक साइकिल वाले से टकराने वाला था और एक बच गया, लेकिन वो गिर गया. So his mother said that this serves you right. ये ठीक हुआ तुम्हारे साथ. Then being a mother, she is loving and affectionate. She makes him stand straight and dust off his clothes. She said, be sensible on the road. So see, Gopa's mother is a worried parent, like every worried mother for her children. So Gopa said, Mama, she said that I don't want you to be hurt. So then she said, I want you to be healthy, wealthy, happy and wise boy. Now there are conversation of Gopa. So Gopa addresses the audience and he said, let's go. And Mrs. Dev ahead, she is beyond the earshot. She turned around and addresses the audience. So now Mrs. Dev addresses the audience by saying that she didn't like chocolate. During her childhood, there were not many chocolates. And that's why, she does not want me to eat them. तो ये बच्चे का व्यू है अपनी मदर के लिए. उसको लगता है कि मदर के टाइम में तो चॉकलेट्स थे नहीं, इसलिए वो नहीं चाहते कि मैं भी चॉकलेट खाऊं. Now in next slide we will do act number 2.